Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lawn Spa with Keith. So today's just going to be a little bit of an update video from the last one. In the last video, if you haven't watched it, go check it out. We put a lot of fertilizer and things down in the back where I had a lot of weeds. So today we're going to take a look at where the lawn's been over the last 7 days since I put down the weed killer. So we're walking back here now, so let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, so it hasn't really grown too much, but if we zoom in here a little bit, you can see, hopefully, that the color of the weeds is definitely changing, and they are, in fact, dying. That's what we want to see with this. Up here, we had a lot of big weeds, just like those ones across on the other side of the fence. Those all seem to be dead and not coming back, so that's a really good sign. It means that we got a lot of these hopefully not coming back, but you never know. There's been a lot of weeds back here, so we definitely still have new ones that have popped up since I last put down the weed and feed that are popping up and causing some issues. But for the most part, this is getting there. We knew this wasn't going to be a quick and instant fix, so I'm pretty happy with the results thus far. I am seeing that the berms that I have don't seem to be getting enough water, so I'll probably have to pop the sprinklers up and take a look and see if they're even hitting them. And if they're not, probably do a little bit of a readjustment there. But weather's definitely getting a lot warmer here in Central Texas. We're supposed to be in the 90s today. Still have a little bit of cloud cover, but once that all goes away, we'll probably get right up into those 90s. Got a lot of wind still, but just making sure I get enough water down and keep this grass as green as I can before we go into the real heat of the summer where Bermuda grass thrives. It's going to like that sun. It's going to like getting it all day, growing, and then drying out. So we'll probably put some stuff down on the lawn, maybe some hydrotain, things like that to try and help out as much as we can so that we're not watering a crazy, ooh, there goes the hat, a crazy amount throughout the season. So, but beautiful day here today. What I'm going to do today is it is time to do more fertilizer in the front lawn. So I did the backyard last week, and now I get to do the front. This is where I'm just putting down the same fertilizer I used in the backyard. Let's see what we got here. It's an all-purpose fertilizer, Sta-Green. It's a 10-10-10. This bag that I have is 40 pounds and covers 5,000 square feet. I know that my lawn is 1,130 square feet in the front. So I'll divide up that bag, put it into the sprayer, and then just put it right down nice and quick. Other things going on the lawn, I've just been kind of working on my flower beds a little bit, went through, pulled out all the dead material in a lot of the things that died over the winter with the storm. So it's coming together, it's getting there slowly. So now we got some garbage trucks behind us, always nice when they come out just in time for a video. But okay, let me get to the fertilizer. Okay, so now to everyone's favorite part of lawn care, math. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add up all the sections of the lawn. And if I can figure it out, I'll try to put some type of picture on the screen doing the math to show you how I'm doing this. If I can't, you're just gonna have to figure it out. So my front yard has broken up into two parts, the right and the left. The right side is 860 square feet. The left side is 270 square feet, giving us a total of 1,130 square feet. My two side yards on the side of the house add up to 520 square feet. We add those numbers together, we get 1,650 square feet. If we divide that by 5,000, which is the amount that one bag that I have covers, it's 1/3. So we need 1/3 of that bag. also known as 0.33. We times that by 40, because that's how big the bag is. That gets us to 13.2 pounds. So I know that I need 13.2 pounds of that product to put down on the 1,650 square feet. Not too hard to figure out, but you don't want to be putting way too much or way too little down on your lawn. So the most important thing is knowing the size of your lawn. Get out there with a tape measure if you have to. That's what I did. My neighbors definitely think I'm crazy. I was out there, I did it 3 times to make sure I did it right with a 25-foot tape measure because that's all I had at the time, and just went out there and measured it. So now I had it all broken down to know exactly how big each section of my yard is. It just works out that it's exactly 1/3 of a bag for me for these, which is really convenient. So I'm going to show you now what I do to weigh that bag to make sure I get that 13.2 pounds of product into my... All right, so the first thing you're going to need for the way that I'm doing it is one of these. This is just a scale for weighing luggage to see how much your luggage weighs. And your 5-pound bucket from Lowe's or Home Depot. So we're going to take the weight of this bucket first by clipping this on and letting it just hang. And I know that this bucket is 1.5 pounds. That's all you got to do, and read the top. Now I'm going to pour the fertilizer into the bucket and weigh it out a few times until it reaches 13.2 pounds of product, plus the 1.5 pounds gets us to 14.7 pounds. So here we go. All right. First pour and first weigh. Remember, we got to get to 14.7. We are at 17.7. So I got 3 pounds too much in here. So we'll just grab some, take it out, put it back in. I did not think I poured that much, but that's why we weigh it. This would definitely be easier with a cup. So let's see if we have something to use. Sometimes you can't find anything good to use, and that stinks. So I got this little one here. Let's just... All right, let's give it another measure, see where we're at, see how close I am to that 14.7. Let's just take out maybe one more scoop and then we'll be good. Cool. All right, so now let's get this stuff in the spreader. All right, make sure your spreader is closed, edge guards off, everything's there. Pour this right in. And since today this is the only product that I'm going to put down, I don't have to worry about mixing it up. So I am going to get to it and put this product down. Not going to video it. Oop, there goes the hat again. No one wants to watch that. It's pretty boring. So I'm going to put that down. Check out the new animation. Tell me if you like it or not down in the comments. And apparently I'm supposed to beg people to like and subscribe. It hurts to do it. I hate seeing it, but they really do help me out. I am becoming slightly obsessed with checking the analytics on the videos. I hate to say it. So if you could just throw me a like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. All right, everyone. Have a great day, and thanks for checking out the Lawn Spa.